fish too. I think there's beef on the menu as well, but can't beat a bit of which mentioned cod. I thought you definitely can't beat it. Well, just arrived some food. It's at the restaurant here. Sushi. Oh, actually, that's the La Rosas restaurant. Get down these steps. Loads of room. Loads of room. Just move the seat there. Nice breeze there. Yep. Trying to get seated. Got a seat anyway, isn't it? Huh? We've got that one. We've got three, don't we? Three.
Uy, los 5 se fueron. Pero que están allá sentados 5. Hola. 3. 2. ¿Estos cuántos son estos? ¿Estos eran? 2 y 2. 2 más 4. 2.
Bit of a seating issue. Bit of a seating issue, but hey ho, we got there. We sat down. Smells nice anyway. We'll keep you updated and see what happens, see what turns up. That's us all seated at the table. It smells nice actually. Nice ice cold water. I think they're all going on the wine already. Just hand you around the rest so you can see the rest of the table. Yep, they're all on it. Alright, give us a wave. You ordered cod, didn't you? What did you order? Me as well, cod. So they've got all this wine on the table. Nice refreshing water as well. I think by the looks of it, we must be starting with soup. Looking at the soup bowls. There's a QR code down there, I don't know what that's called, maybe it's the menu, I don't know. I'll tell you something, we're right up in the sticks up here. Right up in the sticks, and I've got panda eyes, I can see. Definitely got panda eyes. I better put my specs, should have put my specs back on, do you think? Put my specs back on, Better. Hot. Warm. Very, very warm. Very warm. So, I think meal's coming out. Alright, give us a wave. Wave.
Hi.
Alright. Wine's going round, so I think the net will be on wine. You on wine? No? We still got hangover. No. We're a bit tender this morning. Yeah. Well, put the specs down. Well, gives that some soup. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what it tastes like. Buckle or something? No, I'm not sure. But I'm going to stick to the bread. It's better than my at the moment. Anyway, soup reminds me of peace. soup with stuff floating in it. Bit spicy anyway. But I'm not, I think I'm going to give it a miss. Well, this is a soup, so I'm not sure. I don't think, look on Annette's face, I don't think she's very impressed with it. Oh yeah.
Funny taste.
And Ethan didn't bother with any. Didn't like it. Didn't like look at it, did you? And I left mine as well. Funny enough, I did have some butter with the bread rolls, but no butter. Bread was nice and fresh, but no butter. So me and Ethan had a bread roll. So cod's supposed to be coming, so I don't know what was that going to be served with. So you can't go wrong with cod, can you? We'll see anyway.
Yo qué pedida.
I'm just on it. He's got batter on it. A bit of salad and 2 spuds. No, what? What's it say? Oh. No, can't see that.
A mí el pan me encanta, aunque no valga para nada, pero me encanta. Pero
Yeah, cod is nice.
mira más que me ha dicho que se puede repetir. Digo,
All the other stuff is, but I'll try it and I'll come back to you. Well, just an update on the cod situation. Ate some of the cod, the fish. I was expecting a piece of cod which wasn't battered, but no, it was, as you get it without batter, but there was a hell of a lot of bones in it, so I put the bones out and ate what I could. And Ethan left he wasn't really keen on it. You polish yours off, didn't you? And that polished hers off, apart from a few bits of veg. Anyway, we got a cabbage, was it? Cabbage. So we got a teaspoon now where there should be a dessert spoon, so let's see what comes out. Well, dessert's just turned up. I don't know what it is. I've never seen anything like it before, but bit of a oops. Yes. Don't know. Anyway. What is it? Do you like it?
No, I just like
Oh,
this.
yeah.
I just like that.
Span you around so Annette'll show you what she's eating. What it is.
Mum's got one with us.
Mum's done finished it. What is it, Annette?
I'm hungry.
Mum is hungry. What is it?
I don't know. I think I'm going to stick to my bread. I don't know.
You don't know?
Can't even
What
tell
does it taste like?
No.
What does it taste of?
Nothing.
Nothing. So what would you say? What would you say? Going back to the UK, what would you say tastes like a dessert in the UK?
Like an egg custard.
An egg custard. I think I'm going to pass on that. Well, I'm going to pass on that one. I'm starving. Anyway, the surprise has just been brought to the table. Vanilla ice cream. I'm going to devour this, I can tell you.
Atención, atención.
Oh,
Una botella de vino tinto. A bottle of red wine. Una botella de vino rosso. Eine Flasche Rotwein. Eine Botella de vin rouge.
No, la pobre mujer.
Alito, sí, está bien. Una botella de vin rouge. Butelka czerwonego wina. I creo que me falta alemán. Eine Flasche Rotwein. Ole, un aplauso, por favor. Seguimos. Atención, atención. Una botella de agua. Mallorca, Lanzarote, Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria, etc. Now Alicia is going to whistle some names of the Canary Islands, and you have to guess the name. And the first one will be really, really easy.
La Gomera.
La Gomera.
La Gomera, 100 points. Lanzarote, very good.
Tenerife.
You say Gran Canaria? Gran Canaria, very good.
Fuerteventura.
Fuerteventura, very good. And this one is really easy as well. Tenerife otra vez. Ole, un aplauso. Nos vamos despidiendo. Atención, por favor, atención. Muchas gracias. Buen viaje. Adiós. Thank you very much. Have a nice holiday. Bye bye. Grazie mille. Arrivederci. E ciao.
Ciao.
Vabbè. Dankeschön. Gute Reise. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Bon vacances. And my favorite. Merci beaucoup. Dziękujemy bardzo. Do widzenia. Szczęśliwej podróży. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's international. I'm sure you know this very well. Hasta la vista, la vista. Y finito no. Un momentito. Bravo Alicia.
Well, who would have thought you would actually whistle and there was words? They learn something new every day. Fair play to us. You didn't have very good whistle on her. At La Gomera, they whistle to each other. Didn't know that. Well, we just come downstairs from the restaurant upstairs, and there's a bit of a viewing gallery down here. And been advised to come down here and have a look, do a bit of a video down here. And my God, what some good views here. Really nice views. The sun's nice and hot as well. Pan you around so you see these views we've got here. You can still hear me whistling upstairs. She's good. The just then one of the waitresses in the restaurant, she was saying some words and she was whistling these words. Apparently La Gomera did this, whistling to each other across the villages. So strange. It's the first one on me, that one. Anyway, go back along. Really nice views. Oh, nice and cool. Actually, this restaurant up above, upstairs. Definitely worth a visit. This La Gomera, and the restaurant's nice. I say well, I'm typical English meat. When I ordered cod, I expected cod with a bit of batter on it, but no, it was like a gourmet kind of food. It was, as the cod, there was a bit of salad, orange or something on top of the cod, but there was quite a few bones in the cod, so I fished them out, but it put me off. And little Ethan, oh, for here, she's going mad up there. Anyway, little Ethan, he just had bread and water, but even after some butter for the bread roll, No, they didn't do it. I don't know. Anyway, just have a look at the other views from the other side. You can hear it whistling away as people are going out. Look at them views. All little houses set back on their own. It would be nice to live in one of them. Well, I'm going to take back upstairs to the car park. I think we're going to get back on my sit-down coach again and go around and see a bit more of La Gomera and what it has to offer. There's also a souvenir shop here. You can buy stuff on your way out. Fridge magnets, I think there's jam, various other knickknacks. That keeps the place going. I think going here there's another room in here, all prepped and ready for another sit-in. These are the safari jeeps. They've just pulled in. 1, 2, 3, about 6 or 7 of them. The safari jeeps. That's interesting. I've never seen them advertised. Well, viewers, what we're going to do is call this an end to the part 2 day trip to La Gomera. And if you've got this far, I hope you've watched part 1, and you've seen and watched part 2. Now I think we're gonna start the part 3, which will be the voyage home back to Tenerife. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up and click the notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in part 3.